Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm starting off with these full cover nail tips that I got from AliExpress. I will be using these in my video today, and I'm starting off by taking my hand file and just filing the back near the cuticle area, just so that they don't look too big or like press on nails when I apply them. And then I'm also going to file the free edge to remove that little piece of plastic, and I'm going to repeat these steps on all the nails. So once I have finished filing the back and the tip of each of these nails, I'm going to take my little brush and remove the dust. And then I'm going to go in with my modelones base coat. And this is actually the base coat that I got out the little mini kit that I did a video on in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, make sure that you go check it out. And I'm just adding a layer over all my nails and then cure in the nail lag for 30 seconds. And so once I had my layer of base coat cured, I will be applying these nails using the Apres Dupe method. So what I will be doing is using the same base coat that I just used, adding some to the tip of the nail, and then starting at the cuticle area, add pressure towards the tip, making sure that there are no air bubbles, and then flash curing in the nail light. And if any base coat gel spills from underneath, you can just easily remove it with the brush and then go in with your final cure. I'm going to be repeating the same steps over all the nails, and then once I finish getting these on, I'm going to cure for another 30 to 60 minutes just to make sure that they are fully secure. So here I have these nails on, and this is where I do my final 30-second cure, and then these are what the nails are looking like. And then next I'm just going to take some 70% rubbing alcohol and just remove the stickiness from these nails. So next I'm just taking my hand file and just going around the cuticle areas over all the nails because I wanted these to look a little bit more natural. So I'm just going to repeat this step over all the nails and then wipe away the dust. And I don't know if it's just me, but they do look a little bit better after going around the cuticle a second time. And then next, these are the gel polishes I'm going to be using. I'm using the black and white, and then I'm using this nude color from the Beetles in the color 962. These are the colors, and this is what that nude color looks like. So I'm starting off with that nude color by the Beetles, and I'm just going to paint a thin layer first over all my nails, and I'm going to go back in and do a second coat, curing for 30 seconds in between each coat. And before I even get to it, I just want to mention that I don't know what was wrong with me when I was painting these, but y'all, the cuticle area was so terrible. But I did go back in with a brush and some alcohol, I believe, that I used, and just wipe the cuticle area away so that like it wasn't all over my skin. Like I said, I'm going to clean up the areas on my skin, and this is what the nails look like. I just cured for 30 seconds, and then I'm going back in with the second coat of this gel polish. And then here, once I did like these 4 nails, I just flash cured because I just knew as soon as I turned my hand around like this to do the thumbnail, I was gonna rub it against one of the nails. Like, I just knew something was gonna happen, so I just took that step and just flash cured these before I did my thumb. And after that, I cured for 60 seconds, and this is what the nails look like. And then next, I'm gonna go in with this white gelish polish, and I'm starting from the right side, doing like little curved lines going down to the left tip of the nails. And these weren't like as opaque as I thought they were going to be, so I did go in and cure for 30 seconds and then did another coat of this white, trying to do like the same pattern. I didn't want to do like a straight line, so I tried to do like the curved lines as best as I could, and I'm going to repeat these steps on all of the nails. And this thumb was completely out of focus, so I didn't even show that. But this is how the first coat looks. I'm not going to show the second, but this is what the second coat looked like when I finish. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And so after my second coat of white was cured, I'm taking some of the black gel polish and just putting it on my drill bit case. And I'm using this dotting tool, and I'm just gonna use this to make the cow print. And I'm not sure if there is like any particular way for me to like explain how to do cow print, because like it is super easy. Like, you just make spots all over the nails. And the good thing about doing cow print is that there are no like specific pattern. You just do it until you feel like you're ready to move on to the next spot, just like I'm doing. And this is in real speed, and like I just want to see, like I just want you guys to see like how I'm doing it. I'm just making spots everywhere all over the nails, and like in between these big dots, I'm doing like some little smaller ones just to like bring this whole pattern together. And I'm going to be repeating this step over all the nails. And then I also flash cured these for like 10 seconds in between, just so that the pattern wouldn't like smudge. And this is what the pinky nail looks like once I have finished doing the cow print, and it does look better than I thought it would look like. And yeah, I'm just gonna repeat these steps over all the nails. And these are what the nails are looking like once I have did the cow print over all the nails and cured for 30 to 60 seconds. And I do say that like I am amazed at how these turn out. These are super cute so far. And then the last step, I'm going to add some top coat to all of the nails. So I'm using the modelones top coat, and I'm doing a generous amount over all the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And since I did add a generous amount of top coat to these nails, I'm just taking my finger and wiping the side on both sides of each nail so that Now if you top coat, it's like spilling down the nail, and once I cure, it doesn't take away from the shape of the nails. And after I cure for 60 seconds, I'm taking my new cuticle oil and just putting some on my cuticles and rubbing that in. And so after adding my cuticle oil, these are how the nails turn out. The top coat really brought these nails together even more. And this set was super easy, super cute, super affordable, super fun to do, and I really enjoyed doing these. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.